Kitchen safety secrets, 5 rules. Pro chefs live by. Hey home chefs! Today we're diving into something those fancy cooking channels never show you. The safety secrets that keep professional chefs intact after decades in the kitchen. Ever notice how those dazzling cooking videos skip over the safety part? Those chefs with lightning-fast knife skills and flaming pans? They've spent years mastering safety techniques before creating those Instagram-worthy dishes. But here's the exciting part. You don't need culinary school to cook like a pro safely. I'm about to share the exact safety principles professional chefs learn on day 1, before they ever pick up a knife or fire up a burner. These aren't boring regulations to slow you down. These are game-changing habits that will transform how you navigate your kitchen, keep you and your family protected, make you a more confident, efficient cook. Let's be real, nobody's meal plan includes a trip to the emergency room. Yet kitchen accidents remain among the most common household injuries. These tips aren't just helpful, they're absolutely essential. So let's jump into the 5 critical kitchen safety secrets professional chefs swear by. These might just save your fingers, or even your life. Tip number 1, the chef's claw, revolutionary knife safety. Let's start with the number 1 cause of kitchen injuries, knife accidents. Most knife injuries don't happen because the knife is too sharp. They happen because it's too dull, forcing you to use more pressure, which leads to slips. Beyond keeping knives sharp, the absolute most important technique to master is what chefs call the claw. Notice how the hand is positioned here. Fingertips curled under, knuckles guiding the knife, and thumb tucked behind the fingers. This creates a stable platform that keeps fingertips safely away from the blade. With enough practice, this becomes muscle memory. You'll be able to dice an onion in seconds without worrying about your fingertips. Pro tip, if you're new to this technique, start slowly. Speed comes with practice, but safety comes from proper form. Tip number 2, fire management, the silent kitchen killer. Kitchen fires are responsible for over 170,000 home fires annually in the US alone, and that number has been rising with more people cooking at home. The most important rule, never leave cooking food unattended. It's tempting to quickly check your phone or answer the door, but those few seconds can lead to disaster. Another critical habit, always turn pot handles inward, away from the edge of the stove. This simple adjustment prevents accidental bumps that could send scalding liquids flying, especially important in homes with children or pets. Every home should have a kitchen-rated fire extinguisher, and everyone should know how to use it. Modern compact models take up minimal space but could save your entire home. Remember the acronym PASS, pull the pin, aim at the base of the fire, squeeze the handle, sweep from side to side. And if there's one thing to remember from this video, never put water on a grease fire. It will explode and spread the fire. Instead, turn off the heat source if possible and smother with a metal lid, or use baking soda for small fires. Tip number 3, cross-contamination, the invisible threat. The third critical safety tip might not be as dramatic as fires or knife injuries, but it can be just as dangerous, preventing cross-contamination. Food poisoning affects nearly 50 million Americans each year, and much of it starts right in home kitchens. The simplest solution? A cutting board system. Professional kitchens use color-coded boards, typically red for raw meat, green for produce, yellow for poultry, and blue for seafood. Even more important is proper hand washing. A quick rinse isn't enough. Use hot water and soap and wash for at least 20 seconds after handling raw meat, poultry, or seafood. Stop guessing if meat is done. Digital thermometers give readings in seconds and remove all the guesswork. For reference, chicken should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit, ground beef 160 degrees Fahrenheit, and whole cuts of beef, pork or lamb should hit at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit with a 3-minute rest time. Tip number 4, kitchen organization, the professional secret. This 4th tip might surprise you, but professional chefs consider proper kitchen organization a critical safety measure, not just a convenience. The concept is called mise en place, everything in its place. And it's about more than just looking organized. When a workspace is cluttered, you're more likely to knock things over, grab the wrong ingredient, burn food because you're searching for something, or worse, injure yourself when rushing. Before starting to cook, take 5 minutes to clear unnecessary items from your workspace. Pre-measure ingredients into small bowls. Have all tools ready and within reach. Keep a trash bowl nearby to reduce movement. This simple habit revolutionizes home cooking and prevents countless kitchen accidents. Part of this organization includes proper knife storage. Knife blocks might look nice, but magnetic strips or drawer inserts are actually safer because you can see exactly what you're grabbing. No blind reaching into slots. Tip number 5, emergency preparedness. Be ready for anything. The final critical safety tip is about being prepared for when things go wrong. Because eventually, they will. Every kitchen should have a fully stocked first aid kit with burn treatment, emergency contact information posted visibly, clear pathways to exits, working smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. If you do get burned, the immediate response matters tremendously. Run cool, not cold water over the burn for at least 10 minutes. Never use ice, butter, or oils on burns. These old wives' tales can actually make the injury worse. For cuts, apply direct pressure with a clean cloth. If bleeding doesn't stop after 15 minutes, or the cut is deep or gaping, seek medical attention immediately. Make sure everyone in your household knows the emergency plan. Where are the fire extinguishers? What's the evacuation route? Who calls 911? A 5-minute conversation could literally save lives. Conclusion. So there you have it, the 5 critical kitchen safety tips that professional chefs want you to know. Master the chef's claw for knife safety. Practice proper fire management. Prevent cross-contamination. Organize your kitchen professionally. Be prepared for emergencies. These aren't complicated techniques that require years of practice. They're simple habits that, once implemented, become second nature. Not only will these tips keep you and your loved ones safe, but they'll actually make you a better cook. When you're not worried about burning yourself or cutting your finger, you can focus on creating amazing flavors and textures. Professional kitchens prioritize safety above all else because they know it's the foundation that makes everything else possible. And your home kitchen deserves the same standard. What's your biggest kitchen safety concern? Or do you have a kitchen safety tip that saved you from disaster? Share in the comments. Your experience might help someone else avoid an accident. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical cooking tips to become a more confident home chef. Remember, the best chefs aren't just the ones who create amazing dishes. They're the ones who do it safely, day after day, year after year. Here's to your safety and success in the kitchen. Thanks for watching.